You never know. You'll ask that one question that all of a sudden, man, the person's entire world shifts because you change a belief around one thing. I'll give you, it's called a generative belief change. When I was first waiting tables and bartending and putting myself through building this business back in my 20s, I was, smoker. I had to change. So I changed smoking. Well, guess what else happened? Well, if you're not smoking, well, maybe I'll eat a salad instead of the pasta, you know? Oh, now you're eating a salad, you get a little better, you feel a little better. Well, maybe I'll go for a little extra exercise, you know? So like changing, and then you start going for a little extra exercise, and you start sleeping a little bit better. And all these changes start to happen from this one change. And that's how it works in great questions. You ask one great question that creates a shift inside someone, they'll leave the call with you, and then all of a sudden, between the time you have the conversation and your next conversation, it's like boom, 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 boom. All these changes happened inside of someone, and they're like ready to make a transition.